So we've managed to make the sprite move around the stage by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. What we're going to do now is add some sounds and change how the sprite looks. So I'm clicking the sprite, and of course you can have as many sprites on your stage as you like. Just add a new sprite down here. I've clicked on this sprite and renamed it Cat up here. And what we're going to do first of all is we're going to add some costumes. So clicking on the costumes tab, and I'm going to copy this sprite. I'll copy it a couple of times. Right, and I'm going to edit the second costume and the third costume. Just going to use the fill tool really quickly, and I'm just going to change the colour of this sprite. I have a purple cat instead of an orange cat, and we'll just change the colour of his hat up here. And we'll say OK. Now I've got two costumes. Let's go and edit the third one. Again, use the fill tool. Let's have a green cat this time. Okay, and let's give him a pink hat and say OK. Right, so I've now got three costumes. Now I'm going to go back to the scripts, and when the up arrow is pressed, what I'm going to do is go to the next costume. So I'm going to drag that block over. It was under the looks, and put it there under the move. So now when I click the up arrow, it's scrolling through those three costumes that I've created. Okay, so that's one way of changing it. If I go to the down arrow, instead of scrolling through the costumes, we're just going to tell it to change the colour effect. So I'm going to drag that on, and you can vary how much the effect has changed just by clicking there and altering the number. So now this is the down arrow. Watch what happens to the cat now, and it's just the colour again is being changed. So that's scrolling through the costumes, and that's changing the colour effect. Okay, right, let's go to the right arrow key. What we're going to do now is go to the sound blocks, and we are going to play a drum. Each time the cat moves, it is going to play a drum. So if I click the right key, you can hear it's playing a drum, and you've got a whole list of instruments that you can choose. I'll just choose a different one. Let's choose the tambourine, and did it choose it? And now when I click the right one, it's now playing a different sound. Right, so the left key, instead of playing a sound, we're going to go to looks, and we're going to make the cat say something in a speech bubble. So I'm going to drag say hello down here. Doesn't need to say hello, you can click in there, make it say anything you like, and you can make the speech bubble remain visible for longer. This is now the left arrow. If I click the left arrow, you'll see what happens. This little speech bubble pops up, and he's speaking. Okay, right, so we've now changed the costume in two different ways, and we've added sounds, and of course, and we've added speech bubble. Let's watch what happens. So the up key, the down key, we'll go over here to the right, let's go up a little bit, and then we'll go over there to the left, and he's saying hello again for 2 seconds, because we set it to do it for 2 seconds, and there you go.